Joomla is an open source content management system that is used to create, organize, and present content in the form of a website. So Joomla is an open source CMS. What is a CMS? A CMS is a content management system that is used to create, organize, and present content in the form of a website. It is a very fast and simple solution to putting a website together. And the good thing about Joomla is that Joomla it's free and it's open source. So with Joomla, you'll be able to create, organize, and present content in the form of a website. And one good thing about CMS is that once you design your site and your site is available on the internet, you can always edit your sites anywhere you are in the world using the internet browser. Just log on to your site, log in as administrator, and then you'll be able to change the content and do whatever you want to do on your websites. That's one of the advantages Joomla has over Dreamweaver and other web design applications. So Joomla is an open source and free content management system. Elements of a content management system. Every content management system, of which Joomla is an example, has two ends or two elements: the content management application, that's the CMA, and the content delivery application, CDA. Content management application. The CMA is the content management application. It is where you design your websites. It is only the owner of the site and the administrators of the site that have access to the content management application, because that is where you can design and make changes to your sites. The content management application is also known as the back end. That's like the backyard. Now the CDA, content delivery application. The content delivery application is the visible sites that people can see, that members of the public can see. Everybody that comes to your websites will have access to the content delivery application, because that is where you deliver your websites. That's where you deliver your contents. And the content delivery application is also known as the front end. So Joomla has two elements: the content management application, where you create and organize your contents, then the content delivery application, where you present your contents in the form of a site. Only the administrator have access to the back end, which is the CMA, while everybody that comes to your site will have access to the front end. So leave all those grammar. Just know that Joomla, as a content management system, has two ends: the front end, that is the site that people can see, and the back end, where you design your website. Joomla installation. Just like every other software, Joomla has to be installed. And there are two ways of installing Joomla. We can install Joomla on our local computer and work offline. We can also install Joomla directly to our web hosting space online and design online. So any of the ways you want to choose to install Joomla, you can do that. If you want to decide that you want to install Joomla offline, that means you're going to install it offline, and then you're going to upload your website when you're finished with the design. After uploading, you can still continue the design. You can also decide to install Joomla directly online. And if you install it directly online, you would not upload. You're installing online and you're designing online. So depending on the one you choose, designing offline and then uploading can be sometimes difficult and can bring one or two issues. But if you install directly online, you will just get everything simple and then everything straight and easy. You will not pass through the cumbersome process of uploading your sites. But it's easy. In this video, we are going to break down that process into a very easy to understand sequence. Apart from designing offline and uploading, you can design online directly. But the drawback from designing online is if your internet connection is not fast, you may not be able to work online. So we are going to show you how to install Joomla offline and then work on your site. Then later we'll show you how to upload, and we're also going to show you how to install Joomla directly on your hosting space If you are installing directly on your hosting space, that means you can use Fantastico or you can use Softaclos. So let's have an overview of how to install Joomla online and offline.